Mathew Fraser is an American professional CrossFit athlete, competing from 2014 to 2020. Fraser is the first person to win 5 CrossFit Games titles, winning the 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 CrossFit Games consecutively. Fraser has a background in Olympic weightlifting and was a junior national champion. He made his debut at the 2014 CrossFit Games and took second place after a strong performance. He was a favorite to win in 2015 with the retirement of 4-time defending champion Rich Froning Jr., but was edged out in the final event by Ben Smith. The following year, Fraser took first place by a record margin and won all the following 4 CrossFit Games. The 2020 Games were won with a greatly extended record margin of victory of 545 points, and he also overtook the record of 4 consecutive championships held by Rich Froning Jr. Matt Fraser was born to Canadian Olympic figure skaters Don Fraser and Candice Jones in Kingston, Ontario, Canada, and spent his early childhood in Sharbot Lake. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.